What's up, guys? Aurora, what's at the door? A package came in. What's up, guys? Your boy Kev on a video. We're just literally... Someone's knocking on the door. Let's see what came in. Open the door. So we got a package. Guessing this is a car part for Gloria. Got Gloria over there, down there, way down there in the garage. Look at that. And mommy's cars too. Yes. Beautiful day. So guys, let's see what came in this package. Come on, Aurora. Okay. Oh my God, Aurora hit the phone out of my hand. So let's open it. Open it, Aurora. Let's see what it is.
It's a box.
It's a box?
Yes. Oh, this is a bigger box.
Ooh, what is this in this box? I think this is my clear markers, if I'm not mistaken. From Japan, my Nismo clear markers. Help me open it. I don't have my keys on me.
I can get your keys, Daddy.
Where are they? Such a beautiful day. We might go outside. I washed the car yesterday. Oh, there we go, Aurora. Keys. Come on, open it. Washed the cars yesterday, gave it a wax. We might be going later on today to Edward's house to go see how the interior parts are coming out. I got a couple things I have to go take him as well. All right, we opened it. Let's see.
Let's see what's there.
All right. Alright, guys, so I'm here outside on my balcony. I washed the car yesterday and I washed all the carpets for Gloria. So I have them drying out here. They were still kind of wet.
I don't have a mustache anymore.
You don't have a mustache anymore? Alright. So here we're going to be unboxing the Nismo side winkers clear
You don't have mustache.
lens set. Yeah, I don't have a mustache anymore. I cut it off. Well, I never had one. Had a beard that was really ugly. But anyways, going back to this. So this is literally a genuine Nismo part. The ones I have on my car, they are amber. So I'm changing them to the clear ones, guys. I ordered this off of eBay, like literally like 3-4 days ago, and it's here. I've ordered some other things here in the States, and they still haven't even shipped them out yet. So I think Japan is beating us with shipping. Look at that. And it came in DHL. It said it was gonna be arriving today at 8 o'clock in nighttime, at the night, and they literally got here. It was, I think, 10:30. I think it was. They got here in the morning, so I was like, wow. So let me open this up. Alright, so here is the spreadsheet that tells you for what vehicles fit and everything. Let me see if I can. If it is, it's not even catching. There we go. So here is what everything fits for these lights, from the W10 all the way down to the Y10. We see here it fits the S15, the R33, the R34. It says Y32 and Y34. It fits all these models. That's cool. So these parts are interchangeable.
I got a mustache in my feet.
And here are the lights. Look at these.
I got a mustache in my feet.
These gonna look nice. I know they say Nissan somewhere around here. Let me see if I can. Yeah, there we go. It says Nissan right on them. I'm gonna go install them in a few. Another package came in. Let me zoom out. There we go. Much better. So another package came in from the mail today. I did open it earlier today. Yeah, it's my test pipe. I opened it up. I forgot to record because I was so happy. So here it is. That's the test pipe for Gloria. We're taking out the cat. I think tomorrow we'll be taking it out. My mechanic Jimmy said tomorrow he'll be free at 12, so I'll give him a call and we'll see. Look at that. No more cat. Hopefully it will sound much louder, not that quiet like it is. Yeah, so guys, package number 3 has arrived for Gloria. Remember, we got the Nismo side white markers and the test pipe. Right now we're waiting for other packages to come in from Japan and everything, so let's open this one up and let's see what's inside.
Black.
Well, here is one of the things I've ordered. I am putting the blow-off valve in. I went and ordered R-Tune Racing. A generic air filter. But this is really what I was waiting for. And then didn't even bring screws in it. Horrible. So this is for the intake, taking off the old holder that I have there. I think I have to use the original ones. Well, I'll figure that out later on. I think there's nothing in here. Oh. Hey, matching my shirt. Bad. Well, I am putting the blow-off valve. It is a Blitz blow-off valve. I did order that. It still hasn't come in yet. So yeah, let me check that. So I am waiting for that, and we got this. We're gonna be taking that old air box, put this inside. They don't sell intakes for it, so. Yo, this thing came out official. EDVIP in the house made these. While I put them in the car, this thing came out nice. 2 pillows. Let's go see how this look in the car.